Hello, traders. FS Pepcolata here. Today is Friday, June 14th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I'm definitely still looking at this as potentially a 1, 2, 3. I honestly really don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still think it needs to go to the 161.8, probably make a wave 4, and probably make a wave 5 just to finish off this trend that started way back here. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely looking at this as potentially a wave 1, potentially a wave 2, and we're potentially in a wave 3. I think there's a pretty good chance that this is going to eventually start continuing up all the way to that 161.8 just to finish off a wave 3. Then it's probably going to make a big wave 4 and probably a wave 5 just to finish off this trend. So overall, I am definitely still very bullish in an uptrend. So going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, there's definitely a few options with gold. I mean, one option is that this is a 1, 2, 3, and we're actually in the middle of a wave 3 of wave C. I still honestly personally think that is the least likely scenario, but I definitely am keeping it in mind just in case. I honestly still think this could end up being an ABC, and I still think it possibly could end up continuing the uptrend, making those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it right down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, gold looks like it's pushing up pretty good. It looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, probably a wave A or possibly a wave 1. This is definitely 3 waves down right here. Looks like a wave B or a wave 2. If it goes up to a fib level, makes a bounce, that's going to prove it's a wave C. If it doesn't do that, if it goes up and bounces without breaking structure, then it's not a wave 3, a C, but it's actually a wave 3. So, keeping all that in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I still see this as a 1, 2, 3 pattern down. Looks like the end of a crutch. And like I said, if it does go up and bounce off a Fibonacci level that I just showed you on the 4 hour time frame, go down, break structure at a Fibonacci level, then that's going to prove the wave C scenario. And that would be an exit for longs and an entry to go short for the continuation of the downtrend, probably proving that we're in a 1, 2, 3 of wave C on the longer time frames. Otherwise, I would continue to look for longs. If it doesn't break structure and just keeps on making higher highs, higher lows, I would definitely continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks. This thing made a nice, perfect 1, 2, 3 pattern down to the 78%. Nice little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very overlapping, which does kind of make you think that it could be a wave A, could be a wave B, and could be a wave C. I think the best strategy is to learn and earn at the same time whether this is a wave 3 or whether this is a wave C, which you definitely should be able to tell the difference. So, anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.